AI is not the future, it's the present. In 2026, people are building full businesses using AI tools. Without coding, without big investment, in this video, I'll show you 5 profitable AI business models. How to start with zero experience, and how you can automate income using AI. AI-based business means using artificial intelligence tools to automate tasks, reduce costs, increase speed, and generate content or services. Instead of hiring a big team, you use tools like OpenAI ChatGPT, Midjourney, Zapier, and Shopify. First, an AI content agency. Offer services like blog writing, social media posts, and script writing. Email marketing. Use AI for 80% content generation and 20% human editing. Income potential: $500 to $5,000 per month. Second, AI automation services for small businesses. Most businesses don't know how to automate customer replies, lead capture, and email follow-ups. You can build automation using Zapier, ChatGPT API, and CRM tools. Charge monthly retainers. Third, an AI-powered YouTube automation channel. Script with AI, voiceover with AI, editing templates, faceless content. Monetize via ads, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Fourth, AI digital products. Sell prompt bundles, Notion templates, and AI business toolkits. Online courses, create once, sell forever. Fifth, an AI chatbot setup business. Businesses need website chatbots, WhatsApp automation, and Instagram DM automation. You can build and charge a setup fee plus monthly maintenance. Now, step by step. How to start. Step 1. Pick one niche. Example: real estate, fitness coaches, e-commerce stores. Step 2. Learn 2 to 3 AI tools deeply. Master ChatGPT, an automation tool, and CRM. Step 3. Create offer. Example: I help real estate agents automate lead follow-up using AI. Step 4. Get first clients, cold DMs, LinkedIn outreach, freelance platforms, and Facebook groups. Real talk challenges. AI is powerful, but competition is growing. You must add human creativity, trust, and branding matters. AI won't replace entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs using AI will replace others. Income strategy breakdown. Starter level, freelance AI services. Mid-level, AI agency. Advanced level, SaaS or AI product. If you want a full step-by-step roadmap on starting your own AI business, comment AI business below. And subscribe, because I'm dropping weekly entrepreneurship strategies.